Did your Cloudflare invitation get lost or expire? Here is exactly how to resend it in under 30 seconds. We will go through the Members section, find the pending invite, and resend it with just a few clicks. I am going to walk you through this step by step using a real Cloudflare dashboard so you can see exactly what to look for. So first things first, go ahead and open up your Cloudflare account. Just log in like you normally would, head to the main dashboard. This is where you manage all your sites and settings. I will wait here while you get that loaded up. Once you are in, look over to the left side panel. You will see a list of menu options. Go ahead and click on Manage Account. Now, this is the section where you handle everything related to your account settings, from billing to security to team access. And here is the really important part. This is also where invitations live. Next, click on Members. This will bring up a list of everyone who currently has access to your account. But we are not just looking at current members. Look just above that list. You should see a section that says Invitations. This is where all the pending invites are stored. Anyone you have invited who is not accepted yet will show up right here. Now, take your time and scroll through that list. Locate the specific invitation you want to resend. It might be the one that expired, or the one that went to the wrong email, or maybe the person just never got around to clicking the link. Whatever the reason, find that row. Once you have found it, look over to the far right side of that row. You will see 3 little dots. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up with a few options. And then click on Resend Invite. That is it. Just like that, a fresh invitation is on its way. The person will get a brand new email with a brand new link, and this one should not get lost. And there you have it. No more digging through settings, no more frustration. You can resend a Cloudflare member invitation in just a few seconds. If this helped you out, give the video a like and consider subscribing for more quick Cloudflare tips. Thanks for watching.